gonna chew him up?
$13.
No.
You better chew him. You go swim.
I'm not
Stop
sure.
it.
And that's a real goldfish. Wait, can we get a look at the
He
goldfish
is gonna
inside the cup?
swim.
God.
He
Okay.
is gonna swim in your stomach.
You ready?
And look,
Yeah.
you go feel him say blah, 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 blah.
He's gonna
Hot
wiggle
water.
and jiggle and swivel
Hot
inside
water.
of you.
He gone.
Wait, look at the back of his pants. Something's squirming. No, I'm just he just drank a goldfish.
Can you feel
Man,
him?
you gonna be like the golden goose, you know?
Can you feel him? Is he dead
I'm
yet?
sure I'll feel him later.
Oh,
Swimming out.
He's not wiggling in the stomach?
Is he gone?
He gone.
that is crazy,
He's
John.
gone in a minute. Once he goes to the restroom,
Is he swimming?
I don't
Nothing?
think. I don't think so.
What if he tries to come out the front instead of the back?
Let's hope.
Was that worth? Was that worth $10? Yes. You want to go get another one?
100%.
That was worth $10. Dad, would you have done it for 10?
Straight light.
Would you have done that for 10?
Oh shit, that's nice.
No.
Turn ons on that.
Honestly, it was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.